I'm Tara Vanderlight.
And I'm Janice Dunn, and we're here today in the Peninsula Grange estate.
We're excited to show you number 9 The Grange in Frankston South. Let's have a look inside. Featuring beautiful timber floors and character touches. This generous home features well-appointed master bedroom with ensuite and walk-in robe, with a great choice of living spaces, carefully planned kitchen and sunny dining space with expansive outlook over Murray Plains towards Western Port Bay. Tranquil garden featuring alfresco dining, a spa, water feature, all surrounded by privacy hedging. Upstairs is the kids zone with Western Port Bay views. You'll find another 3 large bedrooms, a generous easy to share bathroom and a 3rd living retreat. Oversized double garage with room for a workshop nook. This newly built character home is situated only doors from Escarpment Playground Reserve and is surrounded by quality built homes. This home is where everything truly has been thought of. There is nothing left for you to do other than sit back and enjoy.
So what did you think? Could you see yourself living here?
If you can, how about you give Janice or myself a call? We'd love to organise a private tour for you.
Looking forward to hearing from you.